Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn driving me bananas. Okay, it's an interesting expression, so to find out what this means and how to use it, please stay tuned. But first, as always, let's start with a quick review of last week's lesson. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, can you help me with this formula? You know, I'm really not good at Excel, but you happen to be a specialist at Excel. You know a lot about it. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. Alright, and time is up. If you said, yeah, of course, that's right up my alley, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's lesson. Okay, everyone, let's move on to driving me bananas. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I'm working at the office, but I'm kind of distracted. I can't concentrate on my work because, well, I say, you know, it's so noisy outside. I can't focus. Maybe there's lots of construction or maybe there's a party or something, but it's really loud and I cannot concentrate on my work. Taro feels the same way, so he says, yes, it's making me annoyed. It's frustrating me. It's causing me to feel kind of unhappy because I cannot concentrate. Okay, this is good, but you might hear a native English speaker use, that's right, this expression. Yeah, it's driving me bananas. Okay? When something is driving you crazy, it's giving you frustration, it's annoying you, it's driving you bananas. Okay? So for example, you know, when there's a lot of empty coffee cups in the sink, it drives me bananas. Okay? So for example, or it drives me bananas when people don't respond to my emails on time. It drives me bananas. Okay? All right, for example. All right, so pronunciation, please repeat after me, everyone. It's very simple today. So it's driving me bananas. Driving me bananas. Okay? Your turn. All right, very good. Now, after my sentence here, wow, it's so noisy outside. I can't focus. Good, you agree? So you say, yeah, me too. You know, it's driving me bananas. Okay? All right, so please remember this for the review next week. Okay, our bonus question this week is another way to say it is near. For example, the station is very near. How do you say this in a more interesting way? All right, if you know the answer, you can feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you don't know, well, we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you've got the time. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.